Hi friends, today I am going to explain one of the most important concepts in object-oriented programming, that is polymorphism in Java. The word polymorphism comes from the Greek words poly means many and morph means forms, that is having many forms. In object-oriented programming, if a method, that is a same method, behaves differently based on different situations, is called polymorphism. The method name is same, but the behavior is different based on different situations. Let's see a real-time example. Imagine a man in different situations. At home, he is a father. With his wife, he is a husband. At work, he is an employee. So here the man is same, but his behavior is different based on situations. This is what how exactly polymorphism works in Java. The method is same or the method name is same, its behaviors is different based on situations. Let's see an example in VS Code. Let's create a main.java file and we'll take two methods. We'll take a sum method in A and into B and return A plus B. And another method sum of int A comma int B comma int C. It takes three arguments and return sum of three numbers. So here methods are same. The method name is same. First method name is sum, second method name is sum. But based on situation, the behavior is different. Here it takes two numbers as input and returning the sum of two numbers, and it the second method takes three numbers as input and returning the sum of three numbers. So the method name is same, behavior is different. This is what we call polymorphism. And when we call the methods, we are calling sum with two parameters. When we call sum with two parameters, the first method is being invoked. Let's see, when we compile the code, it compiles fine. And when we run the code, the output is 3. The first method is being invoked. If we call with three inputs, that is three arguments, it calls the second method. So if we again compile and run the code, the output is 6. When we call with the four parameters, it raises an error because the method in the type main is not applicable for the arguments, that is int. Four arguments method is not present. If you write a method with four arguments, then it is acceptable into D and it returns a sum of four numbers. So we run and compile and run the code, the output is 10. So here for all the three methods, the method name is same, but the behavior is different. This is what we call polymorphism in Java. So polymorphism is one of the four pillars of object-oriented programming and plays a crucial role in achieving core reusability, flexibility, and scalability. It is one of the most important concepts that one should know in object-oriented programming. Let's see types of polymorphism in Java. Polymorphism is broadly categorized into two types. First one, compile time polymorphism, which is also called as early binding or static polymorphism. And this is achieved through method overloading. I have already explained in detail about method overloading in my previous video. You can watch that video in order to get more information about method overloading. Method overloading means method name is same, but the parameters are different. Whether the type of parameters or the order of parameters or the sequence of parameters is different. And compile time polymorphism is resolved during compilation. And second type is runtime polymorphism. which is also called late binding or dynamic polymorphism. It is achieved through method overriding. I have already explained method overriding in detail about my previous video. You can refer those to know about method overriding. And runtime polymorphism is resolved at runtime. And let's see a small exercise. Please pause the video and answer the questions. First question. Which of the following is not a type of polymorphism in Java? As we know that in Java there are two types of polymorphism, that is runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism. So runtime polymorphism is also called as late binding or dynamic polymorphism, or compile time polymorphism is also called as early binding or static polymorphism. So data binding polymorphism is not there. So option C is correct. Second question. How is compile time polymorphism achieved in Java? Compile time polymorphism is achieved through overloading. So option A is correct. Third question. What enables runtime polymorphism in Java? First option static methods. Second option method overriding. Method overriding is the correct option. Fourth question. What is the primary advantage of polymorphism? Increases code reusability, makes debugging more difficult, improves code reusability and flexibility. It improves code reusability and flexibility. So option C is correct. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.